Good evening, you're watching Sunstar Reality with me, Nana Sareen. From regional updates to national headlines, we bring you the top 10 stories you need to know today. Have a look. Marking his 56th birthday, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma inaugurated a 210-meter-long bridge over the Kobali River at Jagi Bhagat Gaon, enhancing connectivity between Jagi Road and Morigaon. The bridge will reduce travel time and ease hardships caused by the old, deteriorated structure. Completed in 2 years with Rs 73.5 crore in funding, the project was revived under Minister Piyush Hazarika's leadership after delays under the previous government. The Union Budget 2025 has announced a 12.7 lakh metric ton urea plant in Namrup, marking a major step towards self-sufficiency in fertilizer production for Assam and the Northeast. The project, following the semiconductor plant in Jagi Road, will optimize natural gas resources and support local agriculture. The Assam government has decided to denotify 3 proposed reserve forests in Tinsukia Talpathar, Mohan Pathar and first addition to Dwarmara converting them into revenue villages. This move will enable over 20,000 residents to secure land rights. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma termed it a historic decision, bringing relief to those affected by PRF restrictions. Manipur surged to the top of the medal tally at the National Games 2025, clinching 9 gold, 7 silver and 3 bronze medals. Star weightlifter Bindyarani Devi shattered a national record in snatch with an 88 kg lift in the women's 55 kg category, surpassing Mirabai Chanu's previous record. With a total lift of 201 kg, she now holds all 3 national records in her category. In a historic move, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced that individuals earning up to Rs 12 lakh annually will be exempt from income tax. This landmark decision, revealed in the Tax Budget 2025, aims to provide significant relief to middle-class taxpayers. The government's bold step is expected to boost disposable income, drive consumption and ease financial burdens for millions. In Budget 2025, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a modified Udan scheme, adding 120 new destinations to enhance regional connectivity with a focus on the northeast, hilly regions and helipads. The initiative aims to increase passenger capacity by 4 crores over the next 10 years, strengthening infrastructure and economic growth. Additionally, new greenfield airports will be developed in Bihar alongside support for the Western Kosi Canal ERM project to benefit farmers. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced during the Union Budget 2025 presentation that India will see an addition of 10,000 medical college seats next year, which plans to increase this by another 75,000 seats over the next 5 years. This initiative will help to meet the growing demand for healthcare professionals and improve the doctor-to-patient ratio across the country, particularly in rural areas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi introduced a loan scheme offering up to Rs 2 crore without guarantee for SC, ST and women entrepreneurs. Additionally, gig workers will be registered on the eShram portal for the first time, ensuring they receive health services under the new provisions for the new age economy. Hamas released 3 hostages, including an American-Israeli citizen, on Saturday as part of the ongoing ceasefire deal between Israel and the Palestinian terrorist organization. Following a tragic major collision near Riyadh National Airport, killing 67 people, U.S. authorities have imposed flight restrictions as investigations intensify. Officials have recovered the helicopter's black box, aiming to uncover crucial details behind the crash.